ready to supercharge your newsletter and move your loyal subscribers over to Beehiiv. Let's get your existing email list seamlessly imported into Beehiiv. Step-by-step first, log into your Beehiiv account once you're in. Navigate to the Subscribers section in the left-hand menu. On the Subscribers page, you'll see your current list. If you have any, look for the prominent Import Subscribers button, usually located near the top right. Click on that to begin the process. Beehiiv makes importing easy. You'll typically have two main options: uploading a CSV file or connecting directly to another platform. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the CSV upload, which is the most common method for migrating from other email service providers. Before you upload, ensure your CSV file is properly formatted. The most important column is the email address. You can also include other relevant fields like first name, last name, or any custom attributes you want to bring over. Beehiiv will guide you on the exact column headers. It expects make sure these match as closely as possible. Now, back in Beehiiv, you'll be prompted to upload your CSV file. You can usually drag and drop your file directly into the designated area, or click to browse and select it from your computer. Once your file is uploaded, Beehiiv will ask you to map your CSV columns to its own subscriber fields. This is where you tell Beehiiv which column in your file corresponds to email, first name, last name, and any other custom data you're importing. Double-check each mapping to ensure accuracy. After mapping, you'll likely see a confirmation screen showing a summary of your import. This is your last chance to review before Beehiiv processes your list. Pay attention to any warnings or potential issues highlighted. Once you confirm, Beehiiv will start processing your import. You might see a status update once complete. Refresh your subscribers page, and you'll see your newly imported subscribers ready to go. This ensures a smooth migration, allowing you to immediately leverage Beehiiv's powerful features for your growing community.